Hello guys, I'm making this quick video to actually give you guys a little bit of trick. For most electrician, I know that's gonna take a little bit of time. For electrician, if you guys are looking my outlet, you guys can already tell what I did here. What I'm here to actually explain to you guys, this is completely code compliance, okay? And the two small appliance, you can actually do two small appliance and then you drop your first home run. You do all the 4 outlet here. That's perfectly fine. And then you drop another home run over there in this wall and you run it here for your island. That's perfectly fine. But it's not convenient for the homeowner. Because for example, if you drop your home run here and then you do these 4 plugs right here, most likely the homeowner in a house would most likely put a toaster here, maybe a small little oven or a hot plate right on top of here, about here, right? This corner right here might not have too much action, but this wall right here would have a lot of action going on for small appliance for the homeowner. So most likely they're gonna connect toaster here and a small little oven or a hot plate over here. And most likely both of these gonna be in the same circuit if you would just put all these receptacles in series, or another word, daisy chain everything together, connect all these together. So when you would plug a toaster here and then you would put whatever else you would put here, would happen to be in the same circuit. You don't want that. Imagine the toaster pull, just an example, okay? Imagine the toaster pull 11 amps and whatever else you put over here, 11 amps. They will happen to be in the same circuit if you would use that home run for these 4. So the best way to do this, you would have to do some of this receptacle. One receptacle would only match with odd numbers, and then the other receptacle would only go with pair numbers. What I mean by that, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we got the island 7. So this first receptacles, you would, instead of daisy chain all 4 together, this first receptacles you would go 1, skip this one, 3, 3, skip this one, 5, 5, skip this 6 here, do the 7 here. That will be perfect. And then the second one, you do 2 only pair numbers now, which is you do 2, 4, and then you do 6 on the other side. So what would that help the homeowner is whenever the homeowner is actually hooking up anything around that wall, they have a 70 to 80% chance, if not 95% chance, to actually plug them in a different circuit. That would be perfect, because you don't want the homeowner to plug 2 toasters, just an example, 2 small appliances in the same circuit. That's the reason why we don't daisy chain them. But if you would have daisy chain all 4 together and then you drop your second home run there and then you do the island, that would be perfectly fine, but it wouldn't be convenient for the homeowner. Every plug across from each other is a different circuit. You see, this one is circuit A, this one is circuit B. This one is circuit A, this one is circuit B. This one is circuit A, this one is circuit B. So wherever the homeowner would have plugged, it would never happen to be in the same circuit. It wouldn't overload the circuit, okay? And that's how I do my kitchen. Remember, it's not code, okay? It's just convenient for the homeowner. And it's just for the pride of your work. You do your work like this. I do my work like this, okay? But code, you can just fill in this thing in the same circuit, drop here, go same circuit. It will be perfectly fine.